Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to configure two routers with static IP address. First of all, you must download Cisco Packet Tracer from internet and install it. After installation, it should be like this. First of all, I'm gonna make network structure using two generic computers. They will be connected with switch and I'll put two routers with one server. So this is gonna be our first network and this one should be second network. Now we have to connect all those devices using connections or cables. First of all, I'm gonna use copper straight through. I'm gonna use fast Ethernet 0/0 port to connect with switch and fast Ethernet 0/1. After that, I'm gonna use second port on switch and only one on the PC 0. And after that, I'm gonna use third port on switch with one port on the PC. You can see green dots house blinking. That means this configuration already set up. This orange blinking, that means that switch obtaining network address. And those red dots means that we need to configure root. And we're gonna use copper crossover to router the server. And we're gonna use serial cable to connect those routers. Serial DCE with serial 000 and serial 000. This is our network structure. Now we have to configure our routers, and after configuration we must see green dots right here. First configuration is configuration of router 0. Press on it, go to CLI card, type no, enter, type N, and we must go to configuration mode. That's command conf T. After we type this command, router is in config mode. Now we should type end FA 0/0 to initiate first port of our router, and this is our router, and we're gonna set up IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.255. This is the default subnet mask. And after that, we're gonna type no shut, and that's command for changing state to up, because this link was down. It was red, now it's green. So now we have set up configuration for this port to switch side. After that, we must configure this port, serial port, and as 000. We must put clock rate. I'm gonna set up to 64,000. IP address gonna be 192.168.2.1, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. This subnet mask from here is slightly different from this one. After that, we must type no shut, change state to up, and type exit. After this configuration, we have to configure router 2. We have to close this window, open router 2, go to CLI mode, type no, enter in configuration mode, en conf t int fa0/0. Now we have to configure this port, and we must set up IP address 192.168.2.5, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. After that, we have to put our link up and go out from config F mode. Now in config mode we have to configure this port, its serial port, int s0/00/ enter IP address 192.168.22/255.255.255.252 and put no shut. It changed the app. Now it seems that we are finished, but now we have to set IP address for our end devices, those two computers and our server. Click on first computer, go to the desktop, IP configuration, click on static IP, and first computer gonna have 192.168.1.2 address. Subnet mask is default 255.255.255.0, and default gateway. This gateway is very important for this is gateway to go on the network, to go to internet. 192.168.1.1. After this configuration, we have to configure another computer. It's on the same vein, 192.168.1.3. 169.168.1.1. And now we have to configure IP address for our server. Click on server, desktop, IP configuration, and type 192.168.2 and for example 6. Subnet mask is not default 255.255.255 and 252. Default gateway isn't the same like on another network, is 192.168.1.2.5. And now we have, I'm gonna change this name to 192.168.2.5, and I'm trying to ping from this computer to server. Command prompt ping 192.168.2.5. When I press enter, actually it's pinging, but destination host is unreachable. That means that we haven't configured our IP route. So we have to configure IP route. Click on router 1, press enter, and type IP route 192.168.2.4.255.255.255.252 on serial port S0/0/0. It's very important to be in config mode. If you're not in config mode, you can't do this. And after this, we have to configure other router on the same way. IP route 192.168.1.0 space 255.255.255.0 S0/0/0. Press enter, and our configuration now must work. Press PC1, open command prompt, and type ping 192.168.2.5. Press enter, and now we can see that our configuration is okay. We got reply from our server. All 4 packages are received. Time was 30 milliseconds and time to is 254. And that's it. It's pretty simple.